Hi, I'm Mike from Kai Media, and today's quick tip is on how to apply sidechain compression using iZotope Neutron 3's compressor. Here we have one of my track remakes. This is Skengman by Getz and Stormzy, and I've come across one of the most fundamental issues in mixing where my kick drum and bass line are fighting for the same space in the audio spectrum. Both at low frequencies, and the bass can sometimes smother the punchiness of your kick. The perfect solution is to duck the volume of the bass whenever the kick drum signal comes in. So now back on our bass channel with our Neutron 3 device open, we want to click on this little arrow next to where your attack, release and ratio settings are. If you click on the arrow, it expands some more options and you can now select the sidechain mode. You click the drop down to choose where you want your input to come from. In this case, I'm going to just choose the full external band. Normally in the top right part of your device window in Logic, you'll see some more options and we have a sidechain here. This is where we can choose our source. I know that it's an instrument and I know that instrument is labeled BDD Kick Skengman and it's instrument number 6 in brackets, so it shows you where it's lying in your mix grid. Now you can see that whenever the kick pulses, it's starting to cause a little bit of gain reduction. If I bring this threshold down, we'll see it happen at a more extreme amount. I'm just going to adjust my ratio. My attack is fairly fast already, and my release is at a decent speed so that it will bring the bass back without keeping it suppressed too long. I'm going to listen to the bass alone so that you can hear the actual ducking of volume. We'll make that a little bit more extreme so it's obvious. And we'll reduce that a bit. So by the bass line's volume being ducked so quickly, sometimes you can get distortions, so you need to be careful with your settings that they're not too aggressive, but this appears to be doing the job so that our kick can stand out. And there you have it. It's just a matter of tweaking to your preference, but that's a very quick way you can apply sidechain compression in iZotope's Neutron 3. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, please let us know in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.